Today I am going to tell you how to remove excess salt in coconut chutney. Typically, when we make coconut chutney, we grind all the ingredients like coconut, chutney dal, green chili, ginger, etc. and salt is added in the required amount in the end. Sometimes it happens that this salt becomes excess. So today let us see what are the methods we use to just repair this excess salt. If your chutney does not have tamarind, then you can add half a ladle curd plus half a teaspoon of sugar. Mix well and then add it to the chutney. Now mix everything well and taste it. You will find that the excess salt is adjusted. Alternatively, you can also try this method. You can add some extra coconut, some chutney dal, and then a small piece of jaggery. Grind all the three. Now mix the old chutney to this and then whip it nicely. Now taste it for the salt and it would be adjusted.